Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing.
Yep, the place where English learning feels fun, natural, and totally stress-free.
We're super happy you're here.
And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment.
Ready to practice your English with us?
All right then, let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jess.
And I am Ray. We are so happy you are here today.
Today is a very important episode. We're going to talk about something we do every single day.
That's right. Today's topic is daily routines.
A routine is what you do from the moment you wake up until you close your eyes at night.
And we are doing a deep dive. We will talk about every single detail, the small things.
Because, Ray, you and I are very different.
We are total opposites. I am an early bird. I love the morning.
And I am a night owl. I love the moon and the stars.
So get comfortable, grab your coffee or your tea.
Or your water.
And let's start our day. Okay, Jess, let's start at the very beginning. The alarm clock.
Ugh, I hate that sound.
My alarm goes off at 5 a.m.
5 in the morning? That is still nighttime for me.
It is beautiful. The sun is just starting to come up. When I hear my alarm, I open my eyes immediately. I turn off the alarm and I sit up in bed.
You just sit up? Just like that?
Yes. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms up and I say, today is going to be a great day.
Wow, you are positive.
What about you, Jess?
Well, my alarm rings at 8 a.m., but I do not get up.
What do you do?
I hit the snooze button.
The snooze button is the button that pauses the alarm for 10 minutes.
Exactly. I hit snooze, then I sleep for 10 more minutes. Then it rings again at 8:10. I hit snooze again.
How many times?
Usually 3 times. So I actually wake up at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, so you wake up. Do you stretch?
No, I grab my phone. I check my messages, I check Instagram, I check the weather. I stay in bed for 15 minutes just looking at my phone.
That is a bad habit, Jess.
I know, but my bed is so warm and comfortable. I don't want to leave it.
Well, after I stretch, I get out of bed, and the first thing I do is make my bed.
You tidy the blankets and pillows?
Yes, every day. It makes the room look clean.
I usually leave my bed messy. I'm in a hurry.
After making the bed, I walk to the bathroom.
Me too. Usually I stumble to the bathroom like a zombie.
I turn on the light. I pick up my toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Up and down, left and right.
Very thorough. I brush my teeth too. Then I wash my face. I use a special face soap because I want my skin to be clean.
Nice. I also wash my face. Then I shave.
Shave means to cut the hair on your face.
Yes, I use a razor and shaving cream. I like to look neat for my students.
After that, the shower.
Ah, yes, the shower. I take a cold shower.
Cold? Why?
It wakes me up. The cold water gives me energy. It is shocking but refreshing.
You are crazy, Ray. I take a hot shower. Very hot. The steam fills the bathroom. It helps me relax and wake up slowly. I wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner.
After the shower, I dry myself with a towel. Then I go to my closet to get dressed.
This is the hard part, choosing clothes.
For me, it is easy. I am a teacher. I usually wear formal clothes. I choose a white or blue shirt. I choose black or khaki trousers, and I put on a belt.
Simple. For me, it takes a long time. I stand in front of my closet and stare at my clothes.
What do you usually wear?
Since I work from home, I like smart casual, maybe a nice t-shirt and jeans, or sometimes if I have no video calls, just sweatpants and a hoodie.
Comfortable.
Comfort is king. I also put on a little bit of makeup, just some lipstick and mascara.
And I put on my watch. I cannot forget my watch. Now I am dressed and ready. I go to the kitchen. It is around 6 a.m.
Breakfast time, the most important meal of the day.
Correct. I drink a big glass of water first. Then I make coffee.
Wait, you drink coffee?
Yes, but only 1 cup. I put a little milk in it, no sugar.
I see.
For food, I usually have oatmeal with fruit, maybe a banana or some strawberries. It is healthy and gives me energy until lunch.
That sounds very healthy. My breakfast is different.
What do you have?
I have coffee, a lot of coffee, strong black coffee.
And food?
Usually nothing, or maybe a piece of toast with butter. I'm not very hungry in the morning.
You need fuel, Jess.
The coffee is my fuel. Okay, so now it's 7 a.m. What happens next?
I pack my bag. I put my laptop, my books, and my lunchbox in my bag. Then I put on my shoes and leave the house.
Do you drive?
Yes, I drive to work. The school is about 30 minutes away.
Is there traffic?
At 7 a.m., the traffic is okay. I listen to the news on the radio while I drive.
My commute is very short.
How short?
My commute is about 10 seconds. I walk from my kitchen to my living room desk.
The benefits of working from home.
Exactly. I sit down in my chair at 9:30 a.m., I turn on my computer, I put on my headphones, and I start my workday.
At school, my day is busy. I teach history, so I stand up, I talk to students, I write on the whiteboard.
It sounds tiring.
It is, but I love it. At 12 p.m., I have my lunch break.
What did you bring for lunch?
Remember my lunchbox? I usually bring rice and chicken or a salad. I eat in the staff room with other teachers. We talk about our classes.
Socializing. Nice.
What about you? When do you eat?
I usually get hungry around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. I go to the kitchen, I look in the fridge.
Do you cook?
No, I usually make a sandwich, ham and cheese, or sometimes I order food on an app if I'm lazy.
And do you eat at the table?
No, I eat at my desk while I watch YouTube videos.
Multitasking.
After lunch, I feel sleepy. This is the afternoon slump.
Oh, I know that feeling. Around 3 p.m.?
Yes, I need more coffee, but I push through. I design logos, I edit videos, I answer emails.
My school finishes at 4 p.m. The bell rings, the students go home. I stay for 1 hour to grade papers. Then I drive home. I get home around 5:30 p.m. I am tired, but I want to stay active, so I go for a run with my dog, Flash.
You have so much energy. At 5:30 p.m., I'm usually finishing my last project.
After my run, I take another shower. Then I cook dinner.
You cook every night?
Yes, I like cooking. I make pasta or stir-fry vegetables.
I eat dinner late, maybe around 8 p.m. I usually eat leftovers or something simple.
Now it is time to wind down.
Wind down means to relax before sleeping.
I sit on the sofa, I read a book, or I chat with my housemates. I try not to look at screens.
My wind down is different. I watch Netflix. I love watching series. Or I play video games. It helps me forget about work.
At 9:30 p.m., I start my bedtime routine. I lock the doors, I turn off the lights, I brush my teeth again.
And you go to sleep?
Yes, I am in bed by 10 p.m. I close my eyes and I fall asleep very fast.
Wow, at 10 p.m., I'm wide awake. I usually clean my apartment a little bit. I get my bag ready for the next day. I finally go to bed around midnight, 12 a.m.
Shh, that is late.
Sometimes it's 1 a.m. I scroll on TikTok for a while, then I finally sleep.
Okay, everyone, that was a very long day.
We gave you a lot of details. Before we go, let's review 5 important phrases we used.
Number 1. Snooze button.
The button to pause your alarm so you can sleep more. Example, don't hit the snooze button.
Number 2. Commute.
The journey from your home to your work. Example, my commute takes 30 minutes.
Number 3. Wind down.
To relax and calm down before bed. Example, I read a book to wind down.
Number 4. Early bird.
A person who likes the morning, like Ray.
Number 5. Night owl.
A person who likes the night, like me.
Now it's your turn. We want you to practice.
In the comments below, write one sentence about your routine.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Or, I drink tea for breakfast.
We will read your comments.
Thank you for watching this long episode. If you liked it, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to ELS for more English lessons.
Have a productive day.
Or a relaxing night.
Bye!
Bye!